Hello gorgeous people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we will unbox a Lookfantastic beauty bag. I received this beauty bag for free with my purchase and I am very thankful for that. Lookfantastic claims that it worths around £50 and it comes in this useful see-through bag. Okay beautiful people, let's dig in to see what treats. First we find a full-size product from Tony Moly, Choc Hand Gel, soothing and pure. This hand gel is formulated with aloe vera leaf water to leave skin moisturized and clean. Well guys, in these days a hand gel is welcome. It's made in Korea and as I said is a full-size product. Next we find the travel size product is from Vita Liberata, Body Blur, High Definition Body Makeup in Latte. I already tried this product and it's okay. You know, I'm not a fan of this type of products. Here we have a sample from Avant, Age Nutri Revive, Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. I found this cream in another beauty bag received from Lookfantastic. I didn't use it yet, but to be honest, I'm very curious about this product. And the last sample that we find is from Filorga, the #1 eye cream, Optim Eyes, Intensive Revitalizing 3-in-1 Eye Contour Cream, effective from day 3 on, dark circles, puffiness and fine lines. Well, everything sounds great. This cream intrigued me. Okay beautiful people, and this was the content of a beauty bag received from the Lookfantastic. I cannot say that I'm super impressed of this beauty bag. Definitely is not the best beauty bag received from the Lookfantastic. Inside we get only 4 products, 2 of them are samples. It could be better. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!